So there it is, guys, CB1000r in all of its glory. So if you've been subscribed for a while, you know that I've bought this brand new. Everything was factory, and then I started making subtle changes. So did a lot of upgrades. Of course, I did a full exhaust tuning and got the bike to where I want it. Love the bike, love how it looks, love how it feels. But I think I let curiosity get the best of me, and I think I'm looking to get another bike. Let's jump into the details. Alright, so before we jump into it, just know that this video I actually recorded on my GoPro, and for some reason I thought I was recording audio, but I wasn't. So what I'm going to try to do is just a voiceover over the videos. So next time I'll make sure to check everything before I get on the road. Turns out that just one of the little adapter wasn't plugged in all the way, so that basically killed my audio. So as I said, 2022 CB1000r. I did a video showing you all the upgrades that I did on it so far, so I'll go ahead and link that in the description. Also, I did a video on the tuning, what my numbers are when I came back, and like I said, I'm in a good place where I love where this bike is. I don't plan on doing anything or much more to it, but I let curiosity get the best of me. Now I'm in love with another bike. So you guys might be thinking, okay, what bike would I trade this in for or add to the collection? And for me, I've always, I don't really want the super sports. I want something that's more comfortable, more upright. So naked bikes are what I love, basically. And that's why I chose to get the CB1000r initially. So definitely got to be something with a more upright feel. It's got to be something that I think looks good. I love parking the bike, turning back around, looking at it, and just like what I see. And also has to have good tech. And the bike that I think I might trade in or get or add to the collection is the 2023 BMW M1000r. So this is a beautiful motorcycle, specifically the black version, which comes with a bunch of upgrades, carbon and whatever the case is. But this bike for me checks all the boxes. All the tech that I want in a motorcycle. Looks really good. As far as anything I would have to do to it, it'd be minor, maybe an exhaust, belly pan, and that's it. It really comes ready to go. And the only problem with this is that this bike is very rare. You don't see a lot of them, and it's hard to really just go to a dealership and find one. So have been doing some research, know how much it will cost. It's just a matter of figuring out the small details. So if you guys are familiar with BMW, there is an M1000r, which is this one. It comes in two basic packages. Notable the color changes when they upgrade to the black model. But they also have a S1000r, which looks almost identical, doesn't have as much power as the M, and for me it's just the color scheme and how everything's put together. I'm not really that big of a fan. Like I said, even for the M1000r, I wouldn't be interested in it if it didn't come in this black scheme that I'm showing you guys right now. Of course, you can go on the web and look it up, see how much it costs, but what my dilemma is I need to either sell my Honda or trade it in or keep it. But I don't think that will go over well with wifey, so probably got to get rid of it here in order to grab the new 1000r from BMW. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Is this a good move, moving from a Honda to a BMW? Price is going to go up a little bit. I know Hondas are known for being safe, reliable, but sometimes, like I said, for me, I let the curiosity get the best of me, and now I can't get the M1000r out of my mind. So you see footage of me. I pull up in the Eurocycles of Orlando just to see what they had in store. I've been going back and forth with one of the salesperson, and just let me know how hard it is to get these bikes in. I think they said they had one the day before and it was sold within hours of being on the floor. So that's the kind of situation that I'm in. Was cool just to see all the different bikes in there, a lot of Triumphs in there, a lot of BMWs, of course, Ducatis in there, but didn't really have what I was looking for. So basically an uneventful trip. So I'll cut this video right here, but like I said, in the comments, let me know if you're in my shoes. I know a lot of CB1000r riders are on this channel.
Is this a good switch? Do you think it's worth the money? Because I just can't get this BMW M1000r out of my head. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. On the way to 1,000. We're at 650, I believe, so hopefully we get there by the end of the summer. Smash the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.